Today, I want to share with you a way that you can potentially make money on your YouTube channel before your channel is even monetized. We're not talking about something that is going to make you a huge amount that you're going to be able to retire off of. In fact, the most I have personally ever made from this was like $300 in a month. But it is something that is potentially another string in your bow of money producing activities. I'm reading this awesome book by Roberto at the moment. And I mean, this whole book is about how creators are profiting from their passion in the creator economy. He talks about a few different ways that content creators can monetize. This is one of them: creating merch in a print on demand store. I lived through a pretty long lockdown in Melbourne. I remember the day very, very clearly that we found out that we were not going to be able to go to work. And I've been self-employed for a very long time. When you're self-employed, if you don't work, you don't make any money. 2020 was a period of my life where I was like, you know what? I think I want to start thinking about some other ways of potentially bringing in an income that I'm never ever again relying on one source of income. This isn't financial advice, but not a bad idea to have a few different streams of revenue coming through to you. Merch is a very cool way to do that. So on this day in 2020, I had created a print on demand business. Told my friends and family about it, that I was doing it, and I made a lot of money. So thank you very much to all of the wonderful people that purchased from my store that day. It was very encouraging. Since then, I haven't spent a lot of time on it or put a lot of thought into it. It's something that isn't going to necessarily make you a huge amount of money. But the thing that's amazing about it is you create this merch, you create whatever you've created, and then it's just there. And if you have a platform such as, YouTube, that you are potentially able to wear your merch. Like, there's so many content creators that I love. Like, watch any of Catherine Manning's videos and she's often wearing her own merch. And then people like me go, oh, that's awesome. And then we buy it. It's another way also that your audience can show support for you and what you're doing. It's a nice feeling going, oh, I'm buying this cool t-shirt and I'm supporting this company that I think is awesome. That's so good. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a Spreadshop shop, and I'm going to create some merch for my channel, and I'm going to show you how incredibly easy this process is. And you can do it for your channel. One of the reasons I'm going with Spreadshop is that there are a few companies that integrates with YouTube, and when your channel reaches monetization, then you can have have you seen these beneath people's videos, like the whole merch store, like sitting there? There are a few different companies that you can integrate on your YouTube shopping shelf once you have access to that, if that's what you want to do. So that is the reason I have decided to go with Spreadshop. And for people who don't know what print on demand is or why it is so awesome, it's a zero cost way of creating merchandise. So like back in the day, if you wanted to get merch, you would have to commit a whole lot of money to getting a whole lot of like t-shirts or hoodies or hats or mugs or whatever it is printed. And then you just have to hope that people buy them. So with print on demand, though you don't get as much of a cut as you would obviously get if you were doing that, they take a bigger cut, but you also don't have any upfront costs. With Spreadshop, literally zero. Some of them you have to pay like a monthly fee or whatever to access them. But with Spreadshop, zero. No, nothing. You don't have to pay anything. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and set the store up for yourself. I'm going to open an account. I don't have one. So we're all going to learn something today. It's very exciting. Just share my screen. Oh, Daniel Battelle, what a legend. A few faces we know and love in here. Modern Millie on YouTube, awesome, so good. Oh, Roberto Blake, speak of the legend. Speak of the legend. And we've got Nick Nimmons, so, obviously a few very trusted people who have Spreadshop shops. So let's become one of them, or, however many of them. Let me know if you end up doing this, by the way, in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Open a Spreadshop, select your country. Give them a shop name. Claire Sarah Shop. What do we think? Very original, cool name. Email address, create a password, let them know you're not a robot, and then might as well accept the terms and acknowledge the privacy policy. You should read these things, by the way. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. Welcome to your partner area. Upload your designs, create your products, and sell them to your target group. Your checklist. Create products, set up a Spreadshop, activates, begin guided tour. You know what? I don't want to do a guided tour. I want to just see how intuitively easy it is. I bet it is really easy. Create products. Okay. Super simple and very, very similar to the other program that I have used previously, which was Redbubble. Upload your designs and start creating products. I'm going to jump across to Canva and I'm just going to make a really simple design just to show you for the purposes of showing you. We're just going to make something and see how it goes. Canva has all this cool stuff, right? Like all these fun things that you could play around with. But for today, for this, you know, you play around in your own time. I just want to keep things real simple. So I'm going to use the font that I use for pretty much everything I do. I like to call all of you people that watch my videos bloody legends. You're a pack of bloody legends. So let's do that. Let's make merch that says bloody legend. Pop that in italics. Pop it on a little bit of a 3-degreeer. Bloody legend. That's gorgeous. I like that. I think that's really good. Let's make it white just so we can see what we're doing. I'll pop a background. Oh, pink's good, isn't it? Love a bit of pink. I've just recently really gotten into pink. I love it. Everything's pink now at my house. All right. Oh, imagine that on a t-shirt. I like it. I really like it. Bloody legend. Then what we want to do is hit share. We're going to download it as a PNG. The reason being we can do a transparent background. That's going to get rid of the pink, but trust me, it's the way. Download that. There's links in the description of this video if you want to check out Canva, if you thought that looked super easy to use. I personally love using it for designing all of my stuff. They've got an awesome free version. There's also the pro version. The link in the description will get you either of whatever you want. Jump back over to Spreadshop and let's whack that in there. See what happens. Okay. Action required. Optimize. Oh, that's cool. So it's made it better. Your vector graphic has been optimized for better print results. Your design was centered and the transparent area was reduced. Please confirm the changes. Confirm. Very good. Oh my goodness. Nina, come look at this. I'm going to see what Nina thinks. Let me know what you think of this.
Beautiful. Bloody beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh my goodness. All right. Look at this hoodie. Look at this hoodie. It says bloody legend on it. I love it.
Do you think, can you make the font a little bit smaller?
Well, I'm assuming I can edit the
details.
details.
That's good on those though. Maybe it's just that bottom one.
Some of them, that one. That's I never like t-shirts anyway. I never like the way the women's premium t-shirts look,
but generally
that hoodie is like men's hoodie. Oh,
that's an everyone hoodie.
I think that all of them are everyone
things. The men's
things.
hoodie and women's hoodie look exactly the same.
They probably are exactly the same. All right, that's all.
People's hoodies.
People's hoodies.
Hoodies for the people.
Hoodies for all. Let's see if we can edit some of these things. For example, this women's premium t-shirt, or like anyone who wants to wear its premium t-shirt, it looks a little like low. So I wonder, yeah, you can. You can. And I feel like it needs to be a little smaller on there as well. This is great. This is a really, really easy to use thing. No. Green's good, I guess. That's cool. See, pink. I'm obsessed. So yeah, you can go through and you can adjust like where does that design sit on each thing. Yeah, I think even this one, I want that font to be a little higher and a little smaller. Look at that. It's so intuitive. I love it. Well done, Spreadshop. You bloody legends. So I'm seeing there's a lot more products that you can choose from. What accessories do we have? Oh, mugs. A mug that says bloody legend. Yes, we want mugs, definitely. Look at all this stuff you can get. I don't know if we need duffel bags or computer bags or cotton drawstring fanny packs. Yes, definitely. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Baseball cap. I reckon so. I reckon yes to a baseball cap. Let me know in the comments, please, what you think we need that I have not said yes to. Definitely yes to a beanie. Definitely yes to a bucket hat. I don't think we need a throw pillow. Do we need a dog bandana or a teddy bear? Oh, it's such a great system. Some products are incompatible with your design. So it's taken away the stuff because I have got white writing, so it's taken away anything that is just not going to show up on, which I think is pretty cool. Wow, there are so many products, which can be a good thing, but sometimes I think you don't necessarily want to give people too many options. Sometimes there's too much to choose from. But I mean, who am I to say that someone doesn't want a dog bandana that says Bloody Legend on it? I feel like people are maybe not going to want a Bloody Legend t-shirt for their kids, but look, this is the kind of stuff you can get. Oh, that kid's vintage sports t-shirt, that is so cool. Again, I don't think it's necessary for us to be deciding what potentially men versus women would want to be wearing. Ugh. Get a grip. Get a grip. Vintage sports tee. I am here for the vintage sports tee. I'm here for the tie-dye. Organic, sure. Oh my goodness. No, it's too many options. All right, done. So yeah, then you can just go through and edit them how you want it. That's great. Look at all this cool stuff. Look at all this cool stuff. All right. Yeah, I feel like that's good. I'm getting one of them. I'm 100% getting a mug. The fanny pack has got to be the best thing that they've got. It's really good. There we go. Then you set your design name, a description. Oh, goodness. Tag suggestions. Grave, undead, gore, zombie, grim. No. Okay. Legend, legendary. Tags ensure that your design can be found when people look for it on search engines. The better the tags match the design, the higher the chances that your design will be purchased. Bloody legend. So the description appears in the link previews on Google, Facebook, and other channels, as well as in design details on your sales channel. An easy to read text of 130 to 160 characters that addresses your target group works best. If you're a bloody legend, you'll bloody well love this design. Get it on a t-shirt if it's summer, a hoodie if it's winter, or a hat if you have dirty hair. That is so stupid. Okay, cool. Create! All right, so we've got a product. The next step is to set up Spreadshop. So you can upload a logo or just have your shop name. We're just gonna go with shop name for today because I don't know if it's very important. You can go through and customize things as you see fit. All right, we'll just save that. I don't think it's terribly important. And then we'll activate Spreadshop. This shop is not online yet. Launch your shop now and your customers will get 15% off for the next 2 weeks. Oh my goodness, let's do it. What that means is if you want to buy any Bloody Legend merch for yourself, it's going to be 15% off for the next 2 weeks. You're in luck, folks. One last thing. So then you, I guess, need to just enter your details so you can get paid. Boom. Your shop is now open. Let's visit the shop. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. It's just so easy. And I actually cannot believe it has taken me this long to set something like this up. Like with so many YouTubey things, this is something that can be so easy to overthink. Like I overthought it for such a long time going, oh, I want to make sure I do it in the right shop. I want to because there's a lot of different print on demand stores. And I was like, oh, I got to make sure it's the right one. Like, oh, maybe I should do this. Maybe I should do that. Like, what should the design be? What's my thing? What's it going to, all this stuff. And it's like, who cares? Who cares? What I do know for sure is that it's not a good idea to only focus on one stream of revenue for your YouTube channel. Because I know like so many people say that they get their channel monetized and it's this big thing that they've been aiming for such a long time. And then it happens and they make like hardly any money from it. Like you got to be thinking of other ideas and other ways to allow your community to support you, to show you their support. And I mean, who doesn't want to be walking around in a t-shirt or drinking from a mug that says Bloody Legend on it? I'm actually going to buy a couple of these things. I am going to buy a mug and I'm going to buy a t-shirt because I want to see what the quality of these products is like. as well, and like how long it takes for it to arrive here. So I will do an update video on that. I'm really looking forward to my Bloody Legend merchandise arriving and sporting that fabulous item of clothing. And yeah, I'll definitely be getting a mug because why not? Let me know, have you thought about creating merch for your YouTube channel? Are you like me? Have you been overthinking it for a long time? Check out Spreadshop. I am definitely going to put a link in the description for you to check that out as well. How cool. How easy. That was so easy. That took me like, if I wasn't rambling, I could have set up that Spreadshop shop in like, I reckon maybe 10 minutes. If you got value out of this video today, let me know by hitting the like button, and always feel free to say hello in the comments. It's so nice to know who's watching. And if you would like to see another kind of Canva design-ish related video, I have a super easy to follow along Canva thumbnail tutorial, and I'm going to link that at the end here if that's helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.